The first homework set for the polymorphism. In the first problem, which is just a general question, read this ATM machine diagram and just explain it. Like let's say this is a diagram given from you by some of the team members. How do you understand this diagram? In the second problem, it was a common idea for software engineers to model a square as a rectangle, from educational perspective at least. And let's say that you met such a design. The first question is, why do you think someone might think this way? The second is, try to figure out a reason why it is a risky design, and try to code this inheritance modeling way, and try to figure out another way to design the same process, like instead of using inheritance, try to do it. So I expect from you some reasoning and two different codings, one for here for the inheritance and with another way. In the third homework here, the third problem, recall that we implemented a package delivery service before we introduced the standard today package and the heavy package. We would like to make a small change for that. I would like you to assume the following. In this system, the customer can create a shipment, and each shipment is just a set of packages of different types of these guys. The total shipment price is the sum of each package price, and each shipment should has an information of the used card for the payment, which could be debit card or credit card. Try to add a few classes that represent this extension to the service. That's all.